What a long day of work. Life being the man of the family isn't easy, huh? Time to go and exercise a bit. But Sienna run alone. Ask the fella whether you want to go or not. Better go with me. If not, tonight no dinner. Thank you, miss. Thank you. Walao, we finally finished class. Today crazy, 8 hours. Play game first. Walao, who knocked my door? Walao, 5 p.m. 5 p.m. is the time my father go to run. Oh no.
Hey you.
Who, me?
Yeah, you. Do you want to skip out on running?
Yeah? You got any advice to skip this?
Yeah, for a price of $9.99.
Huh? What? You don't pay. Put me on credit.
Alright.
Mate. Put me on credit.
Alright.
Just
Read the subtitles, fam.
Oi! Fei Zai, let's go. Jogging. So fat already. Faster lah. My shoe all spoiled already, you know.
Nani?
You say what? Your running shoe all spoiled already. You got so many. Are you sure? Come. Oh, you want to go down? Oh. Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
It was at this moment that he knew. He
f***ed
up.
Walao, say no shoe. Buy so many shoes for you. Waste my money. What's this? Huh? What's this? Huh? Now so many shoes. Tell me no shoe, huh? This fella wanna die. Now where the fella gonna die before? I went yesterday already lah. Huh? You say what? Huh? You say you exercised yesterday already, huh? This fella never died before. Want to lie to me? No. I need to talk to my girlfriend. My girlfriend very angry. She very angsty. Later she not happy how? Later she not happy, then you're not happy because later you cannot pull straight now. What to do? Oh, okay, sorry. You better work hard. Work hard for daddy. Girlfriend? Never. Well, mother, lie to me again. Never die before. Shit. Oi, 1,004. 1,000 and... Hey, D? What happened? Come, let's go. See, I exercising now, ma. Huh? Like that also called exercise, Wait, you gonna sweat one? Hey, D, what's that? Stupid, is it nothing? Wow, how about you? Sweating. This is my sweat. Okay, sweat good for your health, you know. Sweat everything out, you know. Then all the juice come out. Then you can use the juice to make some water. Then you can save water now. Eh? What? Me? You call me what? Me what? Eh, sorry. Yeah. Eh, D, come and go and answer mommy. Huh? What? Mommy call me? What are you listening to? Who's the? Oh my god! Who else is calling? Who's calling my son? Papi, go. It's okay. I think you stay inside. You to run today. Rest. Fei Zai, let's go jogging. Huh? Go and run now. Sure. What? Actually go and... Nah, man can't do that. Right, you're supposed to help me solve the problem, not make me go and do the problem. What? Walao, Run then run, I think I cannot run instead. That also cannot. Let's go.
Okay. Yo, look at me. I'm going fast. Okay.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed this week's content, and do let me know if you ever try out one of these techniques and see if it ever gets you out of like exercising in any form. You know, sometimes we're feeling a bit lazy, that's why we need these tactics. So yeah, if you like this content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give me a like, and the most important, help me share it out there, you know. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.